We are supposed to get 12 inches of snow. It's March 23rd. Go home, Mother Nature. You're drunk. Hi everybody, my name's Amanda and I'm kind of new here. So what is going on today is it's Friday. Yeah, it's Friday. So that means tags. This is how you guys get to know me. And coffee, because that's how I roll. So just so you know real quick what I've done for makeup is I put on a Wet n Wild foundation. I used my Tarte Clay Play, and for the shimmer on the inner part of my lid I used a Butter London eye gloss, but I don't remember which one. So yeah, and you know, but that's the basics. For the cheek I used my Pretty Vulgar in Prim Vixen. Guys, if you have that, go into the light hand. And mascara, I layered up these two, the Max Fanatic and the Total Temptation, because that's what I like to do. Okay, so my desk is quite dirty. I need to start putting stuff away. Yeah, so that's what I've done. Yeah, I did use a bronzer, but it was a Wet n Wild one that I'm still trying to use up, and yeah, we're good. I used a sleek highlight. I used almond milk in my coffee. You know, I just did a quickie. Okay, so today's tag is this or that. I have it on my handy dandy phone. Yay. So for makeup, this or that. Blush or bronzer? Yes. Both. Lip gloss or lipstick? Well, at the moment I'm wearing lip balm, but I'll be putting on lipstick. Probably in a nude color, probably in Double Dare from Kat Von D. But yeah. Eyeliner or mascara? Mascara. Foundation or concealer? Both. By the way, if I had to choose one for the blush or bronzer, it would be blush. Foundation or concealer? Concealer. Neutral or eye color or colored eyeshadow? Today, neutral. Other days, colored. But today, neutral. Pressed or loose eyeshadows? Pressed. Just because that's what I'm used to. I'm sure I could become more acquainted with loose, but I don't have many. Brushes or sponges? For face makeup? Sponges. For eyeshadow? Brushes. Duh. But what I'd like to do is I actually do a combo of both. It's a long story. So nails, OPI or China glaze? I don't care. Long or short? It depends. What's your preference? This is about how I like them. In the middle or short? Acrylic or natural? These are acrylic. I'm not gonna lie. These I paid for. But they're fine. Brights or darks? Brights. Oh, absolutely brights. Flower or no flower? If flower was cheap, I'd get down. But I'm already paying for the nails. Actually, it just depends on the mood. As my friend Amber says, if a design is offered, the answer is yes. For body, perfume or body splash? Okay, either. I don't care. Lotion or body butter? I don't like either. But I would say lotion. Body wash or soap? Body wash. Lush or other bath company? I've never heard of Lush until I started doing YouTube stuff. We don't have one in Iowa. Like the entire state. We just don't have one. So, for fashion, more coffee. Jeans or sweatpants? Jeans. Long sleeve or short? Short, though there are times for long sleeve, like snowstorms at the end of March. What the hell, a foot of snow? Skirts. I prefer skirts. My husband prefers to be able to check out my butt. Whatever. I love him dearly, but whatever. Stripes or plaid? No. But I guess I'd do stripes, you know, horizontal on a skirt. Flip-flops or sandals? Sandals, because I've gotten old enough that flip-flops don't really work for me. Scarves or hats? No. I don't really care for either. My hair's too poofy to be in a hat, and except for when I'm kayaking, I like to wear a hat. So yeah, I guess hats overall. Studs or dangly earrings? Dangly. In fact, I'm gonna put some on before I leave. Necklaces or bracelets? Necklaces, but I have to have help putting them on because, you know, nails. Heels or flats? Flats. I miss heels, but they look good. Cowboy boots or riding boots? Riding. But what's the point when I've never really been near a horse? Jacket or hoodie? I'm a hoodie kind of girl. Sweatshirts, hoodies. I'm just that's how I roll. Forever 21 or Charlotte Russe? No. Abercrombie or Hollister? Dude, I'm 40-ish. 38. No. Saks, Fifth Avenue, or Nordstrom? Are you buying? Because then yes. On both. Hair, straight or curly? My hair is wavy. I have the best of both worlds. Bun or ponytail? Ponytail, but that's because, or either because what I do is I pull my hair halfway through because I'm lazy. Bobby pins or butterfly clips? Who is this? Who are these questions for? Bobby pins, hairspray or gel? No. Long or short? Depends. After my wedding, I wanted to cut it all off. But now I wish I had long hair. So it depends on how long I've been growing it out and if my big event is over. Light or dark? That's most of it's natural. Some of it's it's close to what my hair was at one point. Naturally. Side swept bangs or full bangs? Side swept. Full bangs, I look like a little girl, and it's adorable. I love it, but yeah, I do side swept. Up or down? Depends on the event. Right now, my hair's just bugging me, so it's up, and I just got done putting my makeup on. In fact, I haven't even put on setting spray. Random, rain or shine? Shine. Summer or winter? Neither. Fall and spring. Mostly spring. Oh, fall or spring. Spring. Chocolate or vanilla? Yes. East Coast or West Coast? No coast, because Iowa. Bam. That is my this or that tag for Friday, October 25th, when, you know, Mother Nature's drunk. Alright. Snowstorm? Afoot? What the hell? Alright. We will talk to you later. And remember, guys, if you like what you see here, like, subscribe, grab a cup of coffee, and bring it to me, because, you know, I like coffee. Oh, yeah, comment below. What kind of weird weather's been happening in your area?